Hi kids! Do you know how to estimate sums? This will be our lesson for today. Estimating sums. Ano ba ito? Estimation is the process of finding an approximation to a fundamental operation. The keyword here is approximation o pagtantya. To demonstrate, let's add 23 and 56. If we add these two numbers, we get 79. But if we are going to estimate it, it will be a different number. In order to find the estimation, we must know how to round the numbers. Round 23 to the nearest tens. That will be 20. And round 56 to the nearest tens. That will be 60. Now, we have to find the estimated sum, which is equal to 80. Madali lang, diba? To summarize, round the numbers and then find the sum, which is equal to 80. By the way, this is a symbol of approximation. Paano ito babasahin ng tama? The estimated sum of 23 and 56 is approximately equal to 80. You may also read this as the estimated sum of 23 and 56 is about 80. Let's have more examples.
1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Time to swing. Time to sing. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Stomp your feet. Follow me. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Everybody up and down. Spin your body. Touch the ground. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Clap your hands. Sing with me. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. I can hear you. Are you there? Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Oh, there you are. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Go! Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey.
IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.